today's episode. Welcome to Jolly Kitchen. My name is Kiet and I am in Bangkok. We stay in a hotel in Sathorn, Bangkok, and today we have a day trip. We are heading to a floating market. It's about 1.5 hour drive from Bangkok, and we'll get a pickup at the lobby, and then we're gonna head out. Take about 1.5 hour drive. So what we're going today is the world's famous floating market. It's called Damnan Saduak in Ratchaburi. All right, let's go. 7 hours, let's say. All right, here we go. Where is our dear friend? Must be the van there. Hey, hello.
You can sit wherever you want.
Alright, we got the transport to pick us up from the hotel, and the first destination we're going to stop by is the folding umbrella market or the train market in Maeklong, which should take roughly about 1 hour and 20 minutes. And the traffic is not so bad, and then we are going to head there. And then after that we are going to stop by the floating market, which is not far. Alright, we have arrived at the train market and now we're gonna go observe. So we have about half an hour for the train to arrive, so we're gonna get off the car and walk to the market. I think over the past year it's become increasingly popular among the tourists. It used to be like the hidden gem, and now the world's social media and Instagram and Facebook have made it more like popular, open to the public. And I think people are just more aware of this market nowadays. The coconut juice 10 baht. Looks very delicious. Alright, we have arrived at the train market, aka ตลาด ร่มหุบ in Thai. And the train will be arriving around 10 past 10. So now we're just going to have to look for a spot. So before the train arrives, so we get a really nice shot of it. So let's go. And around here in the market, to see all the vendors, they just sell like fresh produce, all the local fruits and vegetables. And we're just literally just walking on a train track right now. Look at all these dry herbs. I like it how the local get really smart and they put all the labels in the different languages. Really good at monetizing it. Oh, look at the crab. This is a beautifully like packaged. You see how different from the Thai garlic and the garlic we have in Australia? This is smaller, it's more aromatic. It's the frogs. You see this? It's a frog.
Yeah, let's get a few drinks.
How about we go for a walk and then we'll come back here? Alright, here really catching my attention. This is like dessert shop. And it's a lot of colorful around here on these vendors. So this is met kanan, and this is luk chup, and this is phoi thong. It's like sweet noodles made from the egg yolks, so cooked in the syrup. And this is alua, It's made from the tapioca, cooked with the coconut cream and then the tapioca flour. So, yeah, you know that I'm sweet tooth, so I really loved it. And it's not that expensive at all. It's quite cheap, probably like about $1. And now all this, the vendors here, the street vendors, what I really like is they sell a lot of fresh produce. Like you get all kind of Thai ingredients. This is very cute little bananas here. It's called Groi Kai in Thai. So it's very tiny. Look at the size of it. So small, but it's so sweet and very delicious. Because the skin is really thin, so you can peel it out and bite it, and the inside is really like golden color. Alright, we're gonna moving on further down here, down the track. That's very interesting. I never seen that one before. Okay. Oh no! How you didn't film that one? Oh, this is how they sun dry the fish. There's all kind of eggs, duck eggs. Hey, Thai lotto. Right now, I think we're passing through the area where there's like the small butcher. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, look at this. That's all the paste. It's for making curry. It's green curry paste. It's sour curry paste. And this is to make a northern style paste like sausage. Oh my god! Look at this.
What is it?
Ants egg. Like a red ant, not like the fire ants in Australia, but this is before they hatch. It's like the milky, like texture when you eat it. Really nice. And now we move to in the process how they make the fish cake, right? This is a fish cake before deep fry, so making a paste like this, ready to go. So they say how much is that? 35 baht per kilo. It's about $1.20. Very cheap. It's so vibrant, it's so colorful, and it's full of energy here. But and the further down the track, you will see that all the products or the vendors pretty much repeat all the similar items. But what they really have is like local produce, or the fresh herb, fresh ingredients, vegetables, some fruits. It's all seasonal, so you can see the mangosteen, mango, all this beautiful mango to make mango sticky rice. It's interesting that the vendor can have an ability to communicate in multiple languages. I think they learn and adapt very well. Right, here we are. We have arrived at the folding umbrella market or the train market here in Maeklong in Samut Songkhram in Thailand. It's a very niche market, but recently it's become like a new tourist destination. Everyone have to see, because when the train come on this track, everything will disappear on the side, and then you see the magic happens. The chaotic turn into a very beautiful organized chaos. I'll buy some of it and then it's like really cute. อันนี้กล่องเท่าไหร่ครับ
20 บาทจ้ะ
อันนี้คืออะไรครับ
กาแฟข้าวเหนียวแดงนี่ข้าวเหนียวแดง
Sticky rice. I used to make this one. Looks really cool. It's gayasat in Thai, so it's kind of mixed with the rice bubbles, sesame seeds, peanuts. I'll take some of this home. เท่าไหร่ครับ
15 บาท
I got this.
ขอบคุณจ้า
ครับ
Attention please. From oncoming or departing trains, please always be aware of standing behind the red line. Standing behind the red line. Police, wish you a safe and enjoyable holiday.
Alright, the train is heading towards us, so the time is 10 past 11, so the train has come and we start to see the chaotic unfold. See all the umbrellas and all the store when they have pulled everything's backward. So now just clear the way for the train to come. Just make sure your tourists come here to stay behind the red lines and to be very, very careful.
ให้ข้าวจีน
So it's for your own safety. Make sure you be responsible tourist citizen. Here come the famous slow train. I was really squeezed in here. Inch is close. Really close. Let's see that one. Really close. You can feel the heat coming up from the underground. I see that people stay, keep their things up here. Now, just watch out. And there we go. Unskating. There we are. I don't know which was more exciting, me watching people watching the train or just like the whole event just unfold right in front of us. And you can see all like people like who take a slow train here. You get a chance to look down here and see people like waving and cheering for it.
Bye bye 好长好长 哎，你看他们的东西不会被
That is probably the closest thing
看他们的那个
I've
菜
ever
你
been
看到
to
哦，你看
anywhere
摆
near
在
the
菜里
train.
面
And there you go. Well, you got the film when the things like folding back, alright?
over the line and it got scratch on it.
What do you think?
But the one has been killed so far.
Even it's getting me excited. I've never been that close to the train before. So close. Actually, the heat coming.
Not a train?
No, I mean like not standing close. You can't do that in Australia. Bloody hell.
Yeah.
ตอนนี้ตลาดวายหรือยัง
ยังค่ะ แต่ถ้าเกิดไปสักบ่าย2ก็เริ่มจะไม่มี
Okay. Now just waiting for everyone, so we're gonna go on a boat. It's about taking about 1 hour, but we're going to be circulating around just the floating area market. So I think we'll try to get there before the markets are dying out. So waiting for our friends to show up. It's 2,000 baht per boat for 1 hour. If you want to do 2 hours, you pay 3,000 baht. That's a maximum 6 passengers. And the 1 hour you can probably go as far as in around the floating market area.
เดี๋ยวดูพาพี่ลงเรือเองค่ะแป๊บนึงเดี๋ยวหนูแจ้ง
So now we're gonna get on the boat. So we stay in the queues that's coming from that way. It's a long tail boat with the car engine, so it's go really fast. But the downside is a little bit noisy. Here we are, our first time. Not my first time. First speedboat. So the information I received is that you should be here before 11 o'clock, so the market will be more popular, right? And right now it's already past 11 o'clock in the morning. It seems like the market is still going. So now our taxi boats already turned off the engine and they're going to start doing the paddling. So what we are experiencing right now is all the vendor. They have all the beautiful food laid out beautifully, and then they just cook right in front of it, cook on site on the boat.
Do you want beer? Sing a beer, Chang beer? Yeah? You want the beer? Sing a Chang. What beer? 80 baht. Buy two. You buy two 150. Two 150.
Yeah. She's a silver tongue, isn't she?
Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Alright, this comes to the end of the trip in Bangkok. We spent 2-3 days here, and the weather has been really nice. Been a rain, but overall the weather is so perfect. It's not too hot, not too humid. And then we made a day trip outside of Bangkok. I show you the train market and the floating market. And I hope you get some idea if you want to travel and make a day trip, something else to do outside of Bangkok. On my next video, I'm going to travel up to the east, which is where my mother lives. I'll see you there.